smart listener, we are back right now in our last session, and yeah, still we are not far away from our best topic, that is work-life balance. That our friends from BPC just explained that what they are going to be and what they are proposed in the future. Because yeah, you know, guys, that in our, especially because now we are in a pandemic situation still, yeah, but we should be having a big dreams, what we are going to be in the future. Because if we don't have any dreams, then we cannot make any list to take that goals. And now it's still strong relate to our topic. I wonder to know that if you one day, Achang, I start from Achang, yeah, Rian. I start from Achang because Achang has a dream to be a businessman, yeah, especially to have a distro or a special store or a corporation or let's call it a CEO. Yeah, he wants he wants to be a CEO. So Achang, start from now because you are relate to your position as a president to what you are going to do to be survived as a CEO of BPC and CEO for your next future.
Actually, for first of all, actually my mind have to like positive thinking, always positive thinking. Like because to begin with, it will start from your mind. If you always netting for the people like envy or something like that, it will give impact for your life. Cause you always like feel no how to say, feeling not well, right? It is from your mindset for firstly. And number two, I think that how you can exercise, how you can, because I remember what the Charlie Chaplin said. They say that there are 4 things we have to know, we have to do as a young, and one of the things is how the way we can gain healthy, like exercise, push up, going to gym or something like that. That is why we do believe, because we do believe in the healthy. It's really important. Even if we have a lot of money, but if you sick, for example, if you have a lot of disease, because probably you have a lot of problem or you stress, exactly, it really useless, guys. That is why you have to positive thinking or give good relation for all of the people. Even if you have wrong, you can say apologize to make a good relationship. I think that's all, Kak. Thank you.
But as I know that you are a president of BPC for this year, and I see from week to week, you handle so many responsible that is not your job actually. How do you? I mean, because you are you are a very kind-hearted person, so you are not. You never say no for everyone who asking your help, or sometimes I can read that you try to be the better version of you, but it's like forcing yourself.
I don't know, sometimes like I am inakan, how to say, it is sometimes I never care about the I the person never care for the people. If I say, if they don't want to do that, I'm really believe if we do good, the God will help you. Like they will send the good people, for example. Sure, I'm really believe that. I never, but because if I care, or if they don't want to do in their job, it will make me stress. I don't care about that, and I find the people which one they wanna help me, and I'm really respect for the people which one they wanna sacrifice in their time with us, because this the social activity, right? It will, how we can give the people place how they can learn, and it will back for us if we give also the good things.
But I think you cannot be the real leader or CEO if you taking your employee your employee or your committee in BPC their jobs.
Sometimes I'm realized that I have to change in my what I do, because we have to like the gas or something like that as a leader.
You have to be a little bit cruel and rude.
That is why.
And give them punishment. What kind of punishment anyway?
I will kick out them.
Oh, okay, good. Yeah,
sure.
Yeah.
'Cause
Kick out and looking for another employee.
sometimes I'm realize if they don't do about their responsibility, they will it will impact for their later, like when they after die, they will ask from God like why you don't do that. It will beg for them, and exactly it will harm. If we don't kick out which one the people they don't do their responsibility.
Okay, so nice person you are, Achang. Yeah. What about you, Rian? If you are going to be someone, or you are, because you say that you propose to be a teacher in the future, what you are going to do when you have to be survive in your work-life balance?
If I become a teacher, I have to be patient, of course, because sometimes there is how to say anak nakal in
Naughty.
naughty
Kids.
naughty student in my class, so that is hardest thing that that is the hardest thing that I really want to be patient, and how I don't want to be an angry person in my classroom, and I guess the one thing that I want to do to my children is just be patient in their attitude.
Just be patient.
Yeah.
So you are not a typical teacher in the future, discipline or to give so much rules to your children, to your student. I mean. I mean in my class, there is how to say, I want just there is a student that they want how to say, kalau mereka mau belajar di pelajaranku silahkan, kalau tidak mau ya keluar. Oh, so they have to choose.
Yeah.
You give them option that they choose to study or not.
Yeah.
So what about if, because you are a teacher, you are not a headmaster of the school, yeah? But it's not a option, I think, because if you give them that kind of rules, it means that you easily to give them a bad value or bad rating for their class, and of course their parents will complain you and the headmaster also will complain you.
Yeah, that's a risk for me.
That's a risk.
Yeah, because I don't want to be how to say, angry person, so I give
or angry bird.
Angry person. So I give them an option. So if you like my lesson, so come in.
Oh.
Just come in.
Why don't you take it?
But if you don't, so kick out. Get out.
Why don't you choose to be a private teacher? I think it's better for you than being a teacher in a primary school, because
I guess
we relate to your kind-hearted person again. Yeah.
Yes.
I'm so speechless to see so many kind-hearted and charming person in BPC. That's why I enjoy to make a circle with you guys. Okay. And then next. You are going to what do you prefer? I mean, you prefer for being a private teacher or?
Yeah, I prefer to be a private teacher because only one person that I teach, and there is enjoying, and that's enjoying, and
enjoyable.
enjoyable.
Oh, okay. So smart listener, we still have a limited time, but I will ask my friends to bring some vocabulary things about work-life balance. Please do come, Acang.
Okay, so yeah, first is a regular job. It means that ya pekerjaan tetap. Employee, it means that karyawan. But it is different with employer. Employer it means majikan, and yeah, like boss or something like that. And also job, pekerjaan, occupation, profesi. And I have one sentence to run a firm, like untuk menjalankan perusahaan. Yeah, I think it's enough for me, Kak.
Okay, and now Rian.
Okay. Our vocab in my speaking today is be patient. It means sabar, and hardest is paling berat.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, so smart listener, because time is up, let me make it simple by our topic. That no matter how hard is your life to face the work-life balance in your situation, just keep your sanity. No, like maybe you taking a rest a little bit, like you singing or dancing or cooking, knowing yourself first, then or you can also taking a small vacation for yourself in a special place, and that makes you more understanding and knowing about yourself. And thanks a bunch for today. Please join us in next week again, and bye.